Hello everybody, welcome to our today's lesson number 6, verb être, to be, in French. Verb être is one of the stepping stone verb in the language French. It's important to know and understand the verb in order to be capable of doing the language further. Être verb shows permanence and at the same time it also shows temporariness of each and everything. Also, it expresses a sense of being with the adverbs, adjectives, nouns, etc. Être verb means to be. We have some examples for you to make you understand better the verb. When you have to say, I am tired, je suis fatigué. I am tired is a state, can change, so it's temporary. Here also we use the verb être. In the same way, ma sœur est médecin. My sister is a doctor. It shows permanence. It's a profession. So, in both the ways, things which are temporary and things which are permanent, in both we use the verb être. To put some more examples to you, next we see is to be somewhere. La France est en Europe. The France is in Europe. Something permanent, might never change. So, this is one of the examples which shows again permanence. Hence, être verb being the stepping stone will help you in the grammar as well as you go further. And it will make you start speaking in small sentences about your profession, about your current state, about your emotions, about your nationality, etc. Before starting our lesson, let's learn the very important concept of all the European languages, that is conjugation. Unlike in English, we use the same action word in all the sentences. The verb remains the same. He speaks Hindi or we speak Hindi. The speak, the verb, doesn't change in English according to the personal pronoun. Whereas in European languages, speak will change as per the personal pronoun. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Nosotros hablamos español. We speak Spanish. There is always a change in the pattern of the verb conjugation with each and every personal pronoun. And this will help you in the lesson followed to understand the concept of conjugation. So now let's get on to see the conjugation of the verb être. Are you guys ready? Let's get started with the conjugation of the être verb. So before starting, let's get on to knowing all the personal pronouns used in French. So, je is I, tu is you. It is an informal way of communication. Like you do it with your friends or maybe your cousins who are of your same age or maybe younger to you. In Hindi, we say it like tu. तू क्या कर रहा है, तू कहाँ जा रहा है, etc. In the same way, here it is tu. Il means he, elle means she. Il and elle can also be used as it in some places. Nous means we, vous means you. Vous is one thing which can also be used as formal way of communication in French. Vous can be a sign of respect you're giving to someone. Il means they, elle means they. Il can be used for a group of people, including males and females. Also, it can be used only for males. So, il, they, which is probably group of people, male, female, both. Elle means only for females, a group of females. So now let's see the verb être. Je suis. I am. Tu es. You are. Il est. He is. Elle est. She is. Nous sommes. We are. Vous êtes. You are. Ils ont. They are. Elles sont. They are. The major thing to understand here is this entire line is all the singular form of the verb, and this line is plural form of the verb. So if you see je, I, the plural is nous, which is we. Tu, you, again vous is you. You can use it as a you plural as well, when you exclude yourself and you include the entire group of people standing in front of you, or maybe you're talking about. Il means he, and here it is the plural, il. They. Elle means she, again, elle, plural. So, very important to understand what is singular, what is plural, and the entire concept of the être verb. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Arey, itna nahi bas. Do press the bell icon for not missing any update. And you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook with the handle name Bloomlingo. And we are signing off for today. Thank you all for watching, and we will come back with some more and exciting videos on languages. Stay tuned.